Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to make the camera track on CapCut for vertical videos. So let's change the aspect ratio here and make it 9:16. Now we can drag the clip so it fills the 9:16 aspect ratio. Now if I press play, the man will quickly run off screen. So how do we make the camera track us in a vertical video like this? Come to the start and press the keyframe here within Video, Basic and Position and Size. Then we want to move the clip on slightly just before the man runs out of screen. Let go, and we want to move the player. You can do it directly in the player here. Again, let him run slightly out of screen. Now you don't have to press the keyframe button every time. You can just drag on the player and the keyframe will be automatically added, as we can see. And you just want to keep repeating this process all the way along so it tracks the man on his run. So I'll speed this process up as I make the adjustments. And now when I press play on the clip, as you can see, the camera tracks him even in a vertical video. So that's how to camera track on CapCut for vertical videos. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.